Hi, my name is Jamie, and it just started snowing. This is awesome. So recently in my gardening groups, I've been reading a lot about vertical gardening and different tower type planters, and I love them. They look so beautiful, all stacked up really high, but the prices on them are pretty high. I really like the green stalk planter, and someday I'll probably get one, but right now it's just not in the budget. So the other day I went to the dollar store because I had heard some tips. There were these stackable planters there, and I got them, and I just wanted to kind of do a review and show you what I got. Okay, so I'll show you what they look like. This is just a pot that I added on top. I thought it looked nice to kind of finish off the top, but you could plant like a plant in the middle here too, and I think that would look really nice. But I just thought these pots were at the dollar store too, and they're the type that you can water from the bottom. So each one comes separately like this. I think it is 15 inches across. Let's say like 5 inches tall. Actually, it probably says it on here. No, it doesn't. These can be used inside or outside because they have the little saucers on the bottom, but I'm going to use them outside and I want them to drain really well. So I went ahead and took off the bottom here, just popped it off so it will drain really well. I'm going to do that to each one, but I found when you take them off, you can't get them back on again. So just decide what you want to do with them beforehand. There you go. Just pop it off. It doesn't really stay on. I guess if you put it on the ground on top of it, it would hold it back on again. But once you pop them off, they're kind of off. They stack up like this. I stacked mine 6 high, and I feel like that was like a nice height for them. Also, dollar store sells the chains for hanging pots. I've seen people drill holes in the bottom, like here in the bottom ones, and then hang up the chains, and you can make like a hanging pot. I feel like that would be really heavy. When you fill up the soil, put like half leaves and then the rest of the half soil, so it won't be so heavy. I think that would make it lighter so it would hang well. I think what I'm going to put inside here is herbs and some salad greens and nasturtiums. I love nasturtiums. They're beautiful, and I love the way they taste. Actually, I eat them. I think this would make a really good planter for strawberries, but I have another plan for my strawberries this year, so I probably won't be using that for this.
You can stabilize the planter by putting bricks around the bottom.
Another thing I forgot to mention is these come in different colors. So there's white, a dark blue, and this terracotta color, of course. So I like these pots that I got too. I got them in green and blue, and there's red and a darker color blue and black and white maybe. I drilled some holes in the bottom for drainage. There aren't any. There's like little X marks on the bottom where you're supposed to, I think, poke them out with a screwdriver or something. It didn't come out very easily, but you know.
Here are some other pots I got in my favorite colors, blue and green. I also got cups to start tomatoes and peppers in, and saucers to put under my pots, and tomato clips, twine, a hummingbird feeder, and some rectangle green planters.
Comment down below if you have grown things in these planters before and have any suggestions on what I can grow in these. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Down below if you snow just flew right in my eye.